In investigations like this one in the Bitterroot of Montana, Jack tries to reconstruct the fire's path to the home. He also challenges the assumption that crown fires, large flames burning in the tree canopy, destroyed the homes.
When I get to a site of residential destruction, I try to get a sense of the pattern of the exposure. We can begin to also trace a chronology, a timing. For example, on the glider, we can see where there was wilt around the glider, and yet under the glider there was no burning from the crown fire. And yet we can also see where the glider was burning from the house. And what that tells us is that the crown fire was long gone by the time this house was burning. I start challenging the idea that the big flames burned this house down. I particularly look for the degree of heating between what was the crown fire and what was the house. And one of the things that I noticed was the foam hand grips. They would have been dripping off, they would have totally been melted away. And these are highly vulnerable to high intensity heat.
Postmortems like this one led to a breakthrough insight.
What my investigations are telling me is that more than half the time the big crown fires aren't igniting these structures. It's something else. It's the little things.
If crown fires didn't ignite these structures, then why and how did these homes burn? In the effort to solve this mystery, researchers applied what they already knew about fire behavior. Fire spreads from ignition to ignition.
Fire doesn't spread by, some magical, whim. It doesn't spread like an avalanche or a flash flood or a lava flow, something on that order. It spreads according to meeting the requirements for combustion.